marinig. Ito, narinig mo na ako. Up guys! Thank you for tuning in. Andito naman tayo para sa isang makabuluhang video. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin akong hindi nakapag-unbox simply because wala naman akong bagong gamit. So today, brand new day. Today is the day na mag-unbox naman tayo ng isang microphone. So ito ang Boya BY-M1. Boya! It's a lavalier microphone. Lavalier. Hindi alam kung paano siya i-pronounce. Basta lav microphone. So this mic can be used sa smartphones, DSLRs, camcorders, even on your computers. I'm currently using a smartphone for my vlogs. It's a Huawei Nova 3i. Okay naman yung microphone niya, yung built-in mic. But there are instances na medyo nakukulangan ako. So I opted to see this if this would improve the audio quality of my videos. So, nabili ko siya sa Quiapo sa Henry's Cameras for only 800 pesos. It's a corded mic na omnidirectional, meaning it captures lahat ng sound around it. Hindi siya yung directional, one directional. Mono-directional. Hindi siya yung type ng mic na will only capture the sounds nung pinagtututukan nyo. For this one, it's omnidirectional. It captures the sound around it. So first and foremost, let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so binuksan ko to sa store pero hindi ko siya tinesting kasi gusto ko testingin ko siya first hand. Testingin ko siya, harap yung camera para raw na raw yung emotion, raw ng reaction ko na makikita nyo pagka tinesting ko siya. So ayun, meron siyang pouch, lalagyan niya. Inside the pouch, you have ito, silica gel. Tapon natin yan. So ito yung mic. Meron siyang cord. The cord is actually 6 meters. So medyo mahaba. Ito yung controls nyo. If you can see the controls, meron siya ditong switch that you can toggle. If naka-toggle siya sa taas, it's for cameras. Pagka naka-down, for smartphones. Okay? You have a 3.5mm jack, which is standard sa lahat ng mga cellphones. And I think even for cameras, you can also use this. Meron isang pouch. Tingnan natin kung ano yung laman ng pouch. So, meron kang adapter for a bigger jack. I think ito yung isa pang mga amplifiers. So you have a clip. You can put it here. So pwede mo siya i-clip sa damit mo. You also have ito, foam para dun sa mic. By the way, there's also a instruction manual. And you also have a battery. Battery powered itong mic na to. So tingnan natin. Install natin yung battery. Ini-install siya or nilalagay siya dito. Yung sa control na to. So, you just have to open it. May thread siya. Ikutin mo lang. Once you open it enough, makikita mo dito yung slot for battery. Positive yung sa ilalim. So, this is the flat side. Yung positive. So, kabit natin siyang pag ganun. Once installed, ibalik natin. So there, naikabit ko na yung clip at saka yung foam. So let's test it. So tetestingin natin siya ngayon. This is the sound ng wala pang microphone. Ito yung internal mic lang ng cellphone ko. Okay, let's see the difference once we put in the microphone, okay? Okay, so ito naman yung sound ng meron ng microphone na naka-install. Again, this is the Boya Lavalier microphone. Can you see the difference? Can you hear the difference between this and this? Meron bang difference? Actually, hindi ko pa na kasi hindi ko pa na-edit. Pero mamaya, malalaman natin. Again, ito yung merong microphone. Ito yung merong lavalier microphone. Ito yung meron. Ito yung wala. Yung meron at yung wala. Yung sa pula at sa puti. Napadaan sa sabungan, may nagsisigawan. Nung aking tingnan, manok na pula, mukhang matapang. Ang pera ni Mrs. na dapat ihulog ko sana sa Palawan. Aking pinusta sa manok na pula, mukhang tatama yan. Nagsimula ang salpukan, manok na pula, biglang tinamaan, nagiwang-giwang. Sa isang iglap lang ako'y kinabahan, hindi nakatayo, patay na puruhan. Perang hulog sa Palawan, tinalo ko sa sabungan. Nung umuwi sa may bahay, ako'y matamlay. Ako'y nagsisi, ubos ang money, darling I'm sorry. Ako'y hinold up ng 3 lalaki doon banda sa may palengke. Pero ang misis ko hindi maloko, kinarate ako, basag-basag ang mukha ko. Ang darling ko ay magaling pala siya sa taekwondo. Lahat ng sipa niya ay sinapula ko. Dati rin pala siyang champion sa Aikido. Sa sobrang galit ng misis ko, bali-bali mga buto ko. Ang perang dapat sa anak ko ay tinalo ko. So, ayun na nga. Meron pa kayong special number, ang manok na pula. Again, this is the Lavalier B1, Lavalier microphone, Boya, BY-M1 microphone. Hindi, siguro kung titingnan nyo ngayon, hindi siya ganun kalayo yung diferensya from my, or built-in microphone ng cellphone ko compared to this. But, that is because, ang lapit ko kasi sa camera. So, from the cellphone, camera cellphone, 2 feet lang yung layo ko right now. So, it would definitely have an impact kung siguro medyo malayo. So there would be instances siguro in the future that I'll be using this kapag medyo malayo yung camera. Siguro interview, siguro any other possibility or any other videos that would require the camera to be further away from the setup. So thank you very much for all those who appreciate this videos of mine. Currently we're at 166 subscribers. Hopefully we could go past 200. I'm not sure, siguro purgang-purga na kayo sa pagmumukha ko, but rest assured that I'll make my videos much more better in the future. I'll make more of it, and hopefully hindi kayo magsawa. So again, appreciate all the love and support. If you're not yet a subscriber of this channel, just hit the subscribe button at the bottom, dito or dito. And I would appreciate your generosity if you do that. And you could click the notification bell so you can be notified in case that we have new videos from this channel, okay? So again, thank you very much, and you all have a great day, okay? All right, bye-bye.